Today I just want to talk about nature, honestly, and my deep connection and passion for it, because I feel like nature's something a lot of people nowadays take for granted and don't really realize much about, but it's been there for our kind and humanity for as long as we've been around, and people don't really seem to realize that. But on top of that, it not only provides for everything and provides us with oxygen and a clean atmosphere, but it's a beautiful thing at the same time. Here's honestly something that I'm obsessed with myself, just because I love the idea of all different species and animals, and the fact that you can go on a hike and explore so many different kinds of things that you never even thought was possible, and the amount of medicines that are out here, and the amount of things that no one realizes, and that is just healthy for everybody. It's sad to see places like in the Amazon and Brazil and all over the world, and like ancient tribes and cultures that are kicked out of their own woods just because there needs to be more farmland built for somebody, or there has to be some more buildings or something built for someone. And I just think that it's important to keep what we have left, because there's not a lot of nature left around the world, and a lot of places are becoming deserted, and clearly things are starting to fall apart.